Good day and welcome to C Programming Practice. In today's session, we shall solve the problem write a C program that takes a single character as input and determines if it is a vowel or consonant or any other character using switch case. So if input is capital letter A, it should print vowel. If it is small letter A, it should print vowel. If it is capital letter B, so it should print as consonant. Other than alphabets, lowercase or capital case, if we give any digits or any other character, it should print neither vowel nor consonant. Okay. So to solve this problem in the plan, first we'll have to read a character. Next we'll have to go for switch case to check for whether it is vowel. It is A, E, I, O, U. Whether lowercase or uppercase means we'll go for nested switch case. Default case we'll use for checking whether it is consonant. In that extra check, is it any other character other than alphabet? That we shall do. So with this plan, let us go to implementation now. Now here we'll type our code. So this much structure must be there in every program, as already I have mentioned in previous video. That okay. So first we'll have to declare, that is reserve memory space to keep one character. That is why character data type will have to take. So reserved word char. So the name of memory location, which is variable, that we shall give C, then end the statement with semicolon. So with this declaration is over. So what we do in declaration? So one memory location called C, which we call as C variable of character type, we have declared. So memory space we have reserved to store one character. Okay. Next we'll read that one character. For that scanf statement. So within bracket, within double quotes, format specifier will have to use %C because we have to read character. When user presses it on the keyboard, so outside double quotes here, comma, it should be directed to C memory location. That is why ampersand C, end the statement with semicolon. So reading is over. So next we'll have to go for switch case. So which character will have to check? The memory location C. So what is its content? If user has given A, E, I, O, U or any other character. So next in the body of switch case, we'll have to write the code related, checking for whether it is vowel or consonant. So case 1 we will take here. Character checking means within single quotes. Small case we will check. So here colon as per syntax. Then if it is A, what it should print? It should print vowel. So printf statement is used for printing, that output statement is used. So within brackets, so within double quotes, what message we have to print, that will be specified. So vowel, then new line character, end the statement with semicolon. After doing this work, break means go out of switch case. So code is ready to check for lowercase a. So control S, save this, execute, compile. So it is showing error. What error? If you read here, SWITC was not declared. Means it is not able to identify. Spelling is wrong. Correct this. Again, control S to see modified program. Execute, compile. So this time no error. Execute, run. So now this is waiting for the input here. So we'll have to give small case A only, because only for that code we have written. A, press enter. So vowel it is printing fine. So now we'll repeat this for capital case A. So select this, Control C to copy, go down, Control V to paste. So this we shall make A, capital letter A, save the code, Control S button, then execute, compile, execute, run. So this time we'll give capital A. So it is printing vowel. This part is correct. So this part of code we'll have to repeat for here small case E, capital case E. For this, Control S to save the code. Again we shall run. So this time small e we shall give, vowel it is printing. Again we shall run. So capital case E. So vowel it is showing. It is correct. So here printing is same. It has to print if case is small case A or capital case or E. So work is same means only once we can write. We shall remove this. Then we shall remove this. Here also we shall remove. Now when compiler comes across after checking C, if it is A, it will go down, it will check for capital case, it will check for E, it will check for capital case E. Then for any case smashed, it will write vowel now. So now Control S, save the code, execute, compile, execute, run. So you give small case, so it is writing same. Now again we'll run this. You give capital case A, so it is writing vowel. So it will do now for small e and capital E also. So execute, run. So small e, okay, the answer is correct. Again run, capital case E. So the output is correct. So this is how switch case can be used. If output is going to be same for all the cases, you don't mention code here. In the last one we can write it. So then what we can do? So we'll copy this. What we will copy? So this we will here in this case. So these two, Control C, will copy here, will copy here again. So A is over, E is over. This should be small I. This should be capital I, A E I. Now this should be small o. This should be capital O. And this should be small u. And here capital U. So this is extra. This one will delete this. Okay. So Control S, save the code, execute, compile. So no errors. Execute, run. We shall give U. So vowel it is giving. So this time you can check for all characters. A, E, I, O, U, whether small case or capital case. Capital U we will give. So it is correct. So checking for entered single character, is it small case vowel or capital case vowel is over. Next we shall extend this code to check for consonants. Okay. So next case, case we cannot take because remaining 21 characters, 21 times we cannot do. So default case means if it is not vowel, what extra we have to do? First, whether it is alphabet within small a to z or capital A to z, if it is there. So if it is not vowel, then only it will come down. If it is vowel, it will print and go out of switch case. Otherwise, it will come down, means it is not vowel, that is fixed. But whether it is alphabet or no, that we have to check. For that if statement. Here, where is our character? It is in C. Is it greater than or equal to small case a, and here it should be within small z, means the entered character must be alphabet, lowercase alphabet. This condition we are checking, so we will give one bracket here. So this is for checking whether entered character is small case. Similarly, is it or means pipeline character, capital letter. So if entered character is not vowel, it is coming down. Then is it a small case alphabet or is it capital case alphabet? That we are checking here. Okay. So this we shall, for clarity, we will show this way. This is one expression and another expression. If both are satisfied, it will be true. If this is true or here this is true. Whether entered character is A and it is within Z or equal to Z. Similarly, capital case, anyone is satisfied, means alphabet. So then what should be printed? So we'll copy this, Control C. So leave the margin, Control V. So here we will make it consonant. Okay. Else, if it is not an alphabet, else, what should be printed? Neither vowel, because this only we had planned, nor consonant. So here no break statement is needed for default case. This we shall delete. Because it is the last statement, it will go out of switch case body. Okay. Control S to save the code, execute, compile. So what is wrong here? It is asking A was not declared. So this character I have to give. So where character we have stored in C memory location. If C memory location is small case Z or capital case, within that yes or no. So Control S, execute, compile, no error here, execute, run. This time capital B we shall give, press enter, consonant is printed. So again we shall run. So small z, okay, consonant is printed. So next, if you give z, okay, consonant is printed. So is it printing for vowel now? That again we'll have to check. Okay, that is fine. So other than alphabet, any other character will give digit number. So 1. So neither vowel or consonant. Okay, neither vowel nor I should give here. So Control S. Now execute, run. So I shall give digit here. So neither vowel. Why? So I had not saved. After making any changes, Control S, you save. Then compile. So change program must be compiled. Then only our source program, which is written in English like statements, will be converted to machine code. After compile, run. So this time digit. So neither vowel nor consonant. We'll give some special character now. So compilation is over, or compile and run you better to give. So this time any other symbol, say hash. So neither vowel nor consonant. Okay. Our code is perfect now. So in this example practice, what we can learn, switch case statement, how to use, and if multiple cases are same, then how single message can be used or single computation or processing here. Then how default case can be used for checking any other constraint. Okay. And we can learn logical operator here, and operation, then or operation. If both are true, that is and, means whether entered character is small case a or till z, any character, or this condition must be satisfied, whether it should be capital A to Z, any other character. Then only it is confirmed that either this is true or this is true. That is or condition. But when checking this, it should be capital, it should be small a or till small z. So and is important here. Here also and. But any one is true, whether entered character is lower case or capital case. That is why logical or operator here. Here logical and operator is used. Okay. So we can learn how to use logical operators, then how default case can be used. So from here to here, it would be for checking only vowel. So here printf vowel, default you can write printf not vowel. If problem statement is check whether entered character is vowel, then only till here. Default case not vowel you can print. But whether it is consonant means first it should be alphabet. We have to check this. Then only till here consonant it would print. Any other character if you want that message also means we'll have to go for else part also. So when any problem statement is given, what output they are expecting for the given input, that we have to analyze properly. Then using programming constructs like switch case, if else, and in future practices I'll be taking looping functions, pointers. We can do implementation. Okay. I hope you understood this. So any queries if you have, you can mention in the comments. I can help. Don't forget to subscribe at PSH Tech Studies for more such C programming practice and Tech Plus motivation. Thank you.